What am I doing here? What are you doing here?
Did I mention that I was grateful for you saving my life?
You did, and as a repayment, how about standing still? You're making my dinner come up with all that pacing back and forth.
Oh, right. Sorry. I'm just worried about Toothless.
Ah, well, if you miss your dragon, have a pet of mine. He won't mind.
There's a good boy. Spitelout, what's the deal with this place, anyway? You've got all these provisions. You could survive for months in here.
Well, in case you forgot, those bleeding blowtorches destroyed my brand new, perfectly located storehouse. And nearly charbroiled my son in the process. You were there. It was an ugly day in Jorgensen history.
That's all this is about? Revenge?
I've been watching them closely. One day I'll trap one. See how they like a little Jorgensen justice.
Yeah, okay, fine. Just remember, it's rescuing my dragon first, Jorgensen justice second. If we don't get Toothless up in the sky without the cover of night, he'll be a sitting duck.
Well then, lead on. I could use a break from all the peace and solitude. Doesn't suit me. I'm a people person, you know.